Hey guys, it's the bloxburg, and today I'm going to be doing a video, and today I'm going to be doing the one and only Bloxburg. Let's go. Okay, so I actually shut down Roblox, by the way, because I'd done a video and it didn't work. So my max time on this recorder is actually 15 minutes. Now I think that my video is going to be like 5, so I may have to hurry up if my battery starts to die, because I think it's like 30%. Okay, so I'm just going to be going down to welcome to Bloxburg. Okay, now, by the way, Bloxburg actually costs some Robux. It costs like 25, it's super cheap. And as you see, guys, I have 0 Robux. Because I spent all of it on Bloxburg, and I used all of it on Bloxbooks and everything. Sometimes you have to like restart Roblox and do it. Sometimes like that happens. Okay, now guys, I am just going to be joining the server of Bloxburg. Now while this loads, I want you guys to go and punch that like button in the face, and don't forget to subscribe. Now I'm going to be going for 50 subscribers at first, then 100, then 1,000. And if I get 100 or 1,000 subscribers, you'll see the giant giveaway I'm going to be doing, and it's going to be super, super big. And if I get 50, I'm also going to be doing a giveaway. And maybe, who knows, if I got 1 million or 10,000 or even 2,000, I would probably give the biggest giveaway in the world. It's going to be a giant giveaway. Now guys, Bloxburg is actually loading right now. So basically guys, I'm just going to put my MacBook in the charge because I forgot to charge it. So like, what I wanted to say is that it always says this when you're playing. And but yeah, I call my house mansion, and I also have premium and like multiple floors. They're passes that you have to buy with your Robux. Now, premium costs 400 Robux, and multiple floors cost 300. So I would have had leftover, but I decided to spend, because I had 2,000 Robux before, I decided to spend 1,600 of my Robux on Bloxburg. I decided to spend 400 of it, and I only had 300 left. Well, no, I didn't. I spent 1,300 of it, so I only had 300 left, and I could have bought a thing for my avatar or something like that. So basically, I'm going to be doing a house tour. Now, if you guys like this motorbike, it costs 1,600 Bloxburg. Now this is actually Bloxburg. Yeah, people can invite you to their parties, but I'm not gonna go because I'm doing a YouTube video. Okay, so I'm just going on. Okay, so this is the hallway that goes upstairs, and this used to be my bedroom, but it's not now. Okay, so I have the premium trophy, which costs like 10,000. I've got a phone, so I can like order food and stuff like that. I already ordered food in my other video, but that video didn't even record. Okay, so, and then I've got 2 pizzas, by the way. Okay, I'm just gonna take a portion and eat it because I'm stinky too. And there's also, that was the dining room and the kitchen. Okay, and there's also across here, as it's blue, because you can color code everything, it's a bath. I'm also gonna make a shower, but yeah. Now guys, since I'm going for like 50, 100 to 1,000, and then if I get 1,000 or 100, I will do the giantest giveaway that anybody has done. And if it's 50, I'll do a medium giveaway. And I hope you guys are gonna like this video. Okay, the next room is, well, basically the living room. So you can just sit down, watch some TV. I actually sold my TV because I couldn't find out how to put it on. Yeah, but now I know, so I should probably spend some of my money on that. Now upstairs is actually rooms, but they don't have anything inside them. No lights. So that's something. I was thinking of making like actual bedrooms, because you see, like I'm gonna make bedrooms. So because my friends actually play this game, so only one of them I know, like, that plays it with me now. There's actually a rug here. It's just I put it so because there was a gap here between the stairs and here. So and there was a gap, so I just decided to plop that there. Okay, so enough for that. Let's go to vehicles. And as you guys saw in the intro, you saw that I have two vehicles. I have a motorbike and I also have a convertible. Now let's use the motorbike first. And we're gonna, as you see, this is very speedy, and you can actually outrun like nearly anything in this game if you just hold it. Now there is actually pizza places where you can work and get money, but with premium you get like 10 times the amount, because I have promoted, but you get like at least 2 times the amount that you used to get, or like 1 times. Well, 1 times is just the same. Okay, yeah, as you see, somebody actually has the same one that I have, but I've just dyed mine red. Yeah, I like doing that. And then I can just go back to my house. Now, it isn't that fast, but when you're racing and you just floor the pedal down, it's really, really cool. And really, really sick. And I'm so hyped that I'm doing this video. I've always wanted to be doing a good video on this channel. So, as you see, that costs 90,000. That car. Just that car. Costs 90,000. Oh my god. I bet this dude, since he has no house, I think he spent all of his Robux on that, because it costs 90,000 and that costs about like 10,000 Robux, even more. Because as you see, if you go into shop, these are the things, it has all these. Yeah, see, I have this and this, multiple floors and premium. I'm a premium member. Okay, and if you look at money, 1,020. 50,700. Oh my god. Literally, guys, this is what I bought, 100,000. And guys, yo, I could have got the Jeep with 1,300 Robux. And I think I'm going to do that next time. Yeah, I kind of wasted my money. And I am super, like, bummed that I did that. Because I could have been rich and had everything. Okay, I don't know why I went so quiet. I forgot to do the convertible. The convertible is pretty fast. And you can also put the roof down. And there's a little trick which looks like nobody's driving it. So if you can just open the roof. And also, the funny thing is that there's a cool thing that you can do. Since you have emotes in here, just go into emotes, go into sit, and it looks like nobody's in the car. Then you can just drive the car. Okay, but you do eventually plop up. That's the thing. Because, but there is one thing you can do. You can add a blocker, but you would have to add that especially, and you would have to go into Roblox Studio and, like, you know, make it for the game. And then text the developers to add it. So, I don't think I'm doing that anytime soon, because, yeah. So, I hope you guys like this, and, okay, now guys, the next thing that I'm going to be doing is going on my motorcycle, and I am just gonna, yeah, do some stuff. I'm just gonna go to people. Okay, now I'm just going around. See, these are these people are the noobs, because them two, because they haven't, like, built the house, like good, because this is one of the pre-made houses. Like, you get this free. This is a pre-made house. And you see how I done this, with how I made mine better, was delete the whole house, like literally until there's nothing left, then just entirely rebuild it. Me and my friend, I gave him co-owner so he can do something, and basically that is basically what I done. So, yeah. So, all I wanted to say in this video is, if you like, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to punch that like button in the face, and don't forget to subscribe. So, if you guys like this video, remember, I'm going for 50, then 100, then 1,000, then I don't know what I'm going to. So, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm just going to quit Bloxburg. Thank you guys for watching this video. And if you liked it, don't forget to punch that like button in the face. And I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Goodbye, guys.